Hi, Thomas. Let's look at second problem. The second problem, November 18th, and it says, take a small icon that appears on the screen of a a smart telephone and scale it up so it look bigger on a regular computer screen. The icon will be encoded as the characters, stars and X in a 3 by 3 grid as the following: star X star, and then you got a space and XX, and then star space and star. So this is a 3 by 3 grid, and write a program that accepts a positive integer as a scaling factor and output the scaled icon. A scaling factor of k means that each character is replaced by a k by k grid consisting only for that character. For example, if your input is 3, which is scaling factor is 3, then the first star here and first 3 columns are star and first 3 rows are also star. So this 3 by 3 grid is the first character. And then the next one, the X will be another 3 by 3. And then the next star will be another 3 by 3. And this space will be indicated by here, another 3 by 3. So basically you scale it. If a 3 is 4, then you will have a 4 by 4 is here. So the scaling factor is input by the user. And the algorithm, basically you look at it. So when you have a scale factor k, for example, and any cell, you look at the cell, think in two-dimensional array. This is your row number. This is your column number. So when your row number and column number within and 0 to k minus 1, you take the first cell, right? This one. And when the row number or column number is within k to 2k minus 1, so you take the second one. So basically, you're taking the integer part of the division. I wrote it here. I hope you understand. And just think about the enlarged icon is another new array. This new array mn, which is enlarged, the number of rows and number of n's are all enlarged by k times of the original icon. So the any cell in the new icon array is the same as the original array, takes the same character as the original array if I equal to m divided by k and j equal to n divided by k. So that's the algorithm. Let's look at the program. First of all, you take an input from the user, k, that's your scaling factor. Use a two-dimensional array to store original icon. So original icon is a 3 by 3, and the first row is a star x star. Second row is a space xx. Third row is a star, space, and star. So those are the 9 characters of original icon. I'll put the scaled icon. It is actually pretty challenging if you try to initialize the new two-dimensional array. So I just output it without declare a new array. You could down that. You could down the initial to use a new array to store the new icon, which is a 3 times k by 3 times k. But to simplify it, I just loop through the rows and columns of the new icon to print out the new icon character. So the new row starts from index 0 all the way to 3 times k. And then you start with the row. When you print something on the screen, you print per row at a time. Within the loop of for loop of the rows, you do a column. So the column also new column starting from 0 and to 3 times k, not include 3 times k, smaller than 3 times k, and new column increment 1 each loop. And first of all, you calculate original row, right? Original row is a well, this is a where you take your character. Original row is a new row divided by k. Original column is a new column divided by k. So the new icon will take the same character as an original column. Which cell you take from here? Original row and original column. You take from this particular cell. So for example, if your new row is anywhere between 0 to k minus 1, you take the original icon 0, the row number 0. For the column, anywhere between 0 to k minus 1 column, you take original column 0. That's the cell of the original icon where you take the value from, and you just print it out. And also, after you print out each row, you have to print out the end line so that you start with the second row. And then at the end, you print out another end line. So that's it. So let's try it out. Let's see how it looks like. Uh, so if your k is 3, how it looks like. If it's 4 or 5 or 6, you can just say first loop. Let's try when the k equal to 3. See how it looks like. This is how it looks like. This is a enlarged icon. So let's just let it run. Just finish it. Okay, let's run another one. If k equal to 4, how it looks like. It looks like this. So the first 4 by 4 grid is a star. Another 4 by 4 is a X. Another 4 by 4 is a star. So it's an enlarged original icon. So that's what it is. So let's run it again. See if I give a very large value. Say like 8, right? This is how it looks like. You can make your window a little bigger. So that's how it looks like. That's your enlarged icon. So basically you have the enlarged icon. Each cell will go back to original cell to take the character, take the value of the character. So this using that integer part of the division result. Okay? If you have any question, please let me know. Okay, have a good time. Bye bye.